What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Mike, full-time media seller, full-time Amazon FBA seller. Today's video is going to be a little different. I got no products to show you. I got no sales to show you.
You get nothing.
This is basically a mid-year check-in, right? So what do I have going on? What do you have going on, right? Reselling's kind of a lonely job. When's the last time somebody asked you, hey, how are you doing, right? So halfway through 2024, what's rocking and rolling in my head? I'm going upstream. This is the second half of 2024 is me going upstream. That's my focus. So by going upstream, that means finding the stuff before it gets to the thrift store, building relationships, which I have successfully over the past few weeks. I got more library partnerships, some basically real estate companies.
It's free real estate.
Clean out companies, things like that. I'm working on those relationships. Reason why? Because thrifting sucks, right? Like, I know you guys see a lot of it. Oh, thrifting's fun, you know? Oh, yeah, look, but when you're going to thrift stores 20 hours a week, it kind of loses its appeal. I'm here to tell you that. And I want better inventory for better prices. I want all of the inventory. Basically, that's my mindset. And for those who know, I don't put a lot of hours into this business, so I have wiggle room, right? So that's kind of what my business is at, my plan for the future, for the rest of this year. I'm curious, you know, like, what is your plan? What are you doing differently the second half? Q4 is approaching quickly, you know. It'll be here before we know it. We got Prime Day coming up. And even more than business, because the whole reason we resell is for personal freedom, I believe, right? Like to be able to take a day off, be able to make an income more than you would at a normal job. So like, what's some of your personal goals? I'm curious what people have out there. I've been talking about buying a house for years, it seems. Well, that's what happens when the market is the way it is. So I'm continuously putting money aside for a house. I got to get the Lamborghini inspected this next week here. So when this video comes out on Monday, I'll probably be sitting at Jiffy Lube getting a vehicle inspection. Other than that, been losing weight. Me and Deb are on this weight loss journey here together. I'm down around 25 pounds. She's down around, I believe, 20 pounds now. So it's been since we started it in April. That's kind of our results so far. I'm not doing nothing crazy, right? I'm not in the gym every day.
Once again, I am Hans. Yeah, and I am Franz, and we are here to pop. You are.
We're talking cutting calories, eating healthier, eating better. That's all we are doing, and you get results with that. It just takes longer, which is a-okay. So I'm curious what some of your personal goals out there. I've been buying more business cards. I just got some today from Vistaprint. Let me get one out for you guys. Let me hide my phone number so you guys don't call me all hours of the night.
Oh my God, it even has a watermark.
Saying I buy books, CDs, DVDs, throwing these up everywhere, little libraries, anywhere you can think of. I'm tired of going to a thrift store. Yes, I have a business. Yes, we can do 10K in sales off of thrift stores in this business. But what if we could get the stuff before the thrift store picks through it? Everywhere is online now. Goodwill, even some of my local ones, Jubilee Ministries, they have an online store now. Salvation Army, all of these stores are going digital. Scanning stuff in the back room. Everything's getting looked up. Even the Amish.
Didst thou hear that, Isaac?
Aye, someone needs the Amish to the buggy mobile.
Yes, I was in an Amish thrift store, right? I go in, I'm like looking at the DVDs and CDs, and I'm like, where are the prices at, right? I'm like, and I look, like there's no signs for the prices. Well, when there ain't no signs, that means each one is individually priced, right? So I don't find nothing because they're looking everything up. Walk around the store. I bought something. Maybe I bought 1 or 2 DVDs. I get to the front and I go to check out. this old lady, this old Amish lady, I'm talking 60s, full Amish drab, right? Horse and buggy probably to get here. She's got a pile of stuff. She's got a cashier. She got a cash register, and then she got another computer monitor. And I shit you not, she is literally the pile of stuff. She's comping everything on eBay. So I thought, you know, thrift stores are fun. I enjoy the business I have. I'm appreciative of the business I have, the money you can make still doing this. But let's cut out the thrift stores. They still exist, right? I'm still going to go to my thrift stores 2 days a week. But what if I started getting the stuff before it got to the thrift stores? That's kind of my mindset for the second half of 2024. What are some of your personal goals, right? I'm curious. I don't have anything crazy, you know, like besides continuing to lose weight. I forget the name of the Van Damme movie. Lionheart, maybe? Google Jean-Claude Van Damme's Lionheart DVD cover. That's who I want to look like, right? I want to look badass like Jean-Claude on the cover of Lionheart. But what are some of your goals, right? You want to get out. You want to spend more time with your family, your kids, your cats, your dogs, whatever that is. Remember, we're doing this business to have the freedom to do these things, right? And it's not all glamorous. It's like, I'm pretty sure everywhere right now, it's like 1,000 degrees. That's what's going on here. You just got to keep your head down, keep going, and set goals for yourself. What is your revenue goals for the year? How much do you want to make? How much do you want to save? How much debt do you want to pay down? We all have different things. For me, it's saving for a house. That's all that comes down to it. Put money away in retirement, save for a house. That's all I got going on. It's not exciting. For you, it might be different, right? What are some of your goals? Are you going to hit them? Are you on track? Overall, it seems like the majority of you seem to be kind of falling in line with where you want to be and, you know, realistic expectations. That's one thing I try to get over on the channel is having a real understanding of how the business actually works, right? And I talked about it earlier today on the call is you start Amazon or you sell something on Amazon, right? From the time we send this DVD in the box, from the time you get paid for it, I mean, you're looking at 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 10 weeks because it's got to get there. They got to receive it. It's got to sell. Then Amazon holds your money in case it gets refunded. It's not all glamorous, unfortunately. And hey, you know, I guess my goal is to keep it real too for the second half. A lot of shady business goes on out there in the Amazon, YouTube, social media network. And I just, you know, I know I'm not the biggest channel. Should I be the biggest channel? Probably, because I'm the only person that's really ever going to show you what they sell, how much they actually make, and the real expenses that come with this business. But that's for another video. So, yeah, I'm just checking in on you all. I got to get back home. Well, first I got to go get water jugs. I got to go to the grocery store because the town we live in has hard water, and it's terrible for you. So I get the big 5-gallon water jugs, carry those all the way up the steps. We got one of those Primo water machines. I actually love that thing. I was against getting it when we got it a few years ago, but Deb talked me into it. But now I got to go fill up the jugs because we've been drinking like fish because it's been so hot. But yeah, business as usual for me. Sales are up. Don't let nobody tell you things are slowing down. It's summertime. My sales are rocking and rolling. I'm still finding stuff, lots of stuff in thrift stores. Building relationships, you know, to buy in bulk. And when I do get some bulk pickups, we'll do full breakdowns of those as well. But I want to know how you are doing. I could care less about how I'm doing, right? As long as the air conditioner's on, as long as Unsolved Mysteries is on the TV and I got Deb and the cats, I'm good to go. I'm a simple man with no fancy needs in the universe. So yeah, you know, make sure you comment down below. Let me know some of your personal goals, some of your business goals. Yeah, and hey, that's going to do it for the video. As always, I appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more YouTube videos. Bye-bye!